Hello friends! Hi and welcome to our circle time. Now let's start our day by singing the good morning song. Let's sing together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now, let's say the days of the week and the months of the year. Let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, can you sing the 7-day song with me? Let's sing together, okay? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, friends. Now we are in the month of February and today is Friday. Yes, so we have a wonderful lesson planned for you. All right, and let's go and find out what our weather is like for today. But we can't do that unless we sing our weather song, right? Let's sing the weather song together, friends. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now, we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather are we having today. Well, where I am, friends, it's a windy day. Is it windy where you are? Lots of breezes are blowing. Yes, it knocked over some of my plants. Imagine that. Yes, so we have a windy day today. Alright friends, let's find out about our color of the day today. Our color of the day today is the color white. White. I'm sure you can find lots of things at home that are white. Maybe it's a piece of paper, maybe it's a curtain, anything you have at home. It might even be a flower. Yes. So friends, let's find out about our shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is a circle. Yes, a wonderful circle is our shape of the day. Beautiful. Now friends, let's find out about our number of the day today. Our number of the day today is the number 5. 5 is our number of the day. Let's all count to the number 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good, friends. That's our number of the day today. Now, let's all find out about our letter of the day today. Take a look at the letter of the day today.
Our letter of the day is the letter Y. Y. Yawn. Y. Yellow. Y. Yo-yo. Y.
Yes, and we learned some wonderful words, didn't we? Now, friends, it's time for our lesson for today. And so far, this week, we have been talking about planting crops, vegetables, fruits, and other things like that. So, what other way to end the week than make a vegetable soup? Now, don't worry, this is a vegetable soup that you don't really need to touch the stove to make. We are making a wonderful vegetable soup using paper and different shapes. And it's going to be a fun activity. Let's come along and see what we're going to add to our own vegetable soup. Hi friends, so for today's activity, like I said, we are going to make some vegetable soup. Now the first thing we need to make our delicious and wonderful vegetable soup is a large pot. So Auntie's going to just draw out a little pot here. Let's make a nice circle and curve the bottom. And we're just going to draw the little handles for our soup pot. Right, and once you're satisfied with your little soup pot, you can go ahead and trace it out with your black crayon. And there we go. Now the next thing, of course, we need for our soup is our vegetables. So I'm going to start with my vegetable here. You know what this is? Yes, it's broccoli. I made it super big so you can see what it is. Now, of course, you can make your vegetables any size you want. I drew them with my pencil, then I colored them with my crayons. So I'm going to add my corn to my pot of soup. Looks delicious. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes. Wonderful. And next I have some carrots, of course. Carrots are delicious. And last but not least, I have some mushrooms for my soup. Now you can add or draw any vegetable you want to add to your soup. So you can go ahead and draw that. If you want to add onions, you can draw some onions. Have fun with this activity. And of course, our vegetables have various different shapes. Like for tomatoes example, has a circular shape. It's shaped like a circle. Our broccoli has sort of a rectangular shape on the stem and a round shape on the top. Our mushroom has sort of an oval shape with a kind of rectangular shape or cylinder shape at the bottom. So there are many different shapes and sizes. You can touch the vegetables as you look around your kitchen and your home to see what kind of vegetables you're going to use for your soup. You can touch them, touch the real vegetables, and describe them. See if they feel soft, if they're hard, if they're rough, if they're smooth, and have fun with this activity. See you next time, friends. Alright friends, I hope you had fun making your vegetable soup out of paper and different shapes. Now if you want, you can ask your mommy and daddy if they're going to make some vegetable soup for real and have a wonderful weekend eating vegetable soup. Doesn't that sound like a good plan? Alright, I hope you have some delicious soup if you do make it, or just take a look at your picture and pretend to eat your vegetable soup. I hope you had fun today, friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.